Hello and welcome to the Linux B channel. Today we are going to see how to create a bootable USB pen drive which is required to install Ubuntu on any new machine or any new laptop or desktop you have. So basically for to get this bootable pen drive, we will need three things. One is which is active. If you have any active Ubuntu installed, say for example we have this Ubuntu installed on this machine and we want to install Ubuntu on another machine, so we need this laptop, and we also need one ISO image of the Ubuntu, which we are going to download it from this ubuntu.com website. As we can see here, so we are on this ubuntu.com website and there is an option to download. So we will just click it on here, and you can see here we have the option to download Ubuntu, which is a latest 22.04 LTS, which is the stable version, so which we have to download. So this will basically download an ISO image which we need to install it onto the pen drive to make it as a live CD, or it's alternative word which is used as a live CD or live pen drive. So if we click it on this one, it will proceed and it will start downloading. To avoid the download, we have already downloaded, and so we'll just keep it for here. We already have the ISO downloaded. So now we can see, as we can see here, we have this 22.04 image downloaded. We also have, for some other purpose, we had downloaded 20.04. So this is downloaded here. Now if we come back again, so there is different versions of Ubuntu. If we want to install, you can download it from here, this website, release.ubuntu.com. So here you can see it is a 22.04 LTS version, which is same as we downloaded from this website. So once there are new versions, both here this download option will have some different versions, and also here you can see these versions will be changed. So here we can see there are three versions which are currently stable versions supported by ubuntu.com or Ubuntu community. So we had downloaded these two versions. So now we have these two versions. Now what we need to do is we will need some application. So as we can see, we are on this website. It's our Linux B website, which has steps for installing how to create a bootable pen drive. It's a step by step, which is what we are going to see it with the video also. Now to see it, what is the device node? So we can see here, we will just see it and confirm by connecting a pen drive what is the device node is created. So now I'm going to insert the pen drive. So as we can see here, I have inserted the pen drive, and now we can see here it created this device node SDB1. So now what, we have two things ready. One is, I can say here, it is an ISO image, and we have a pen drive connected to the laptop, and it is ready at SDB1. Now we will need to install one application called USB Creator GTK. So this basically is an application which is required for creating USB live disk. So we'll proceed and start the installation. So as we can see, we already had this installed it here. So now as we can see here, we had two ISOs already downloaded. So this application, it's called as a make startup disk. So this application detected that we already have two images downloaded here now, and also it detected that there is a pen drive connected at dev sdb1, that we, as we can see it here on dev sdb1, so which is has a 14.7 GB. It's a 15 GB space is still there. Now here we can see, if we don't have only one version of the Ubuntu ISO downloaded, we will see that only one option is there. So we will select this Ubuntu 22.04, which is the latest version, and we will just click it on the make startup disk. So as we can see here, it is just making sure that whatever you are going to do by creating this live disk, everything inside your pen drive will get erased. So if you have any important data, you make sure that copy it before you create a live CD or live pen drive of the Ubuntu. Now we can see here, we will be clicking on yes, so that it will wipe out everything onto the pen drive and it will create a bootable live Ubuntu version. So we'll click on yes here. Now as you can see here, it is starting to create a live disk of the Ubuntu ISO which we had downloaded. So it is going to take some time. So as we can see it here, so it is 5% completed. So now it may take some time to uh, complete it and show us that everything has been completed. Till that time, we can see here. So if you see, as we can see here from this website, we downloaded previously we had downloaded. So you can either click on this one and download, or you can use wget command to download. So if you see here, using the D message, we see in that SDB is the device node. So why we need to do this D message is to make sure that when this USB creator GTK is opened, there should not be by any mistake, if we have some two USB pen drives connected, or some external hard disk, USB hard disk is connected, there are chances that this application will also detect the device node of the external hard disk, USB hard disk, if you have connected, or some other USB pen drive it is connected. So make sure that you clean up everything using this D message -C before the USB pen drive has been connected, which you are going to use it. And then you just insert the pen drive and make sure that what is the device node, just to confirm and make sure that we are not writing it to we are not going to format any other unexpected pen drive. So here we confirm that this SDB1 is the correct pen drive, and then we just clicked on this make startup disk. So it will proceed further and create a live disk. As we can see here, it is a 34%, 35%. So mostly it will be proceed further, and as we can see it here, once it is done, if you see it, it will be at the end of when the bootable disk has been created, it will ask you to remove it, this pen drive. So it is still going on. 43% is currently completed. So we'll wait it here to let it finish, so that I can show what are the contents it has been created onto the pen drive. So it is going to take us some time to install. So till the time we can see that So we have this our Linux B YouTube channel, so where you can go and watch other technical videos. Also, what we are making it, as you can see here, you can subscribe to this channel to get the newer updates of the technical information. So we have a lot of information for embedded Linux, as you can see here, for embedded Linux, search engine optimization, website development, and much more. So we are just going to explore till our startup disk has been created. So the best thing is to wait it till and let it finish. So I think now it is almost 64% is completed. So it may be another, I think, couple of minutes it will go. So hopefully by the time it will be ready. So yeah, so we have a lot of information. You can see we are continuing extensively working on this one to improve the website and also the content of the channel. So yes, so let's see how much it is. 74% completed. Okay, so as you can see here, so if you have more than one, say for example, you had only one ISO here, then this device, as you can see here, it already detected only one here, and the device node was detected here. So there was no option, or there is no requirement to change the which Ubuntu version you want to use it. So basically, and also we can show you that while it is going on, as you can see here, using the command called lsb release -a, you can see it that our current version which we are trying it out is 18.04. So and now we will be having 22.04. So what this basically LTS indicates is the long-term support is available. It's LTS. That means these are the stable versions. So you will not see unexpected crash. If you install it, you will not see some unexpected crash or some drivers are not working. So most of the things will be ready. So when you are new or you are not actively developing something onto the Ubuntu, as you can see here, it says installation complete is ready. So now what if you see, now let's see what is there onto the this one. Yes, as you can see here, it got created some images. So now using these images, we will be able to boot it onto the some other laptop with the live CD or say live pen drive. You can directly try explore, or you can also be able to install it on that machine. So that's it for now. I think thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, Linux channel, and also you can subscribe using your email ID to this website, so that if we as we update the information, more and more information, you will be able to receive it on your email. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.